What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a project that I've mentioned in a couple of videos. Um, Maybe a little bit ago, I talked about Pikamoon. As we saw the pre-sale happen, as we saw the hype behind the pre-sale, the movement afterwards, going live, all of those things, Pikamoon has consistently made moves. And what I love about projects is when they continue to push onto different exchanges and different places to where they can create more volume, create more hype, build a larger name for themselves, and do more things, right? And I feel as though this is a big deal in what they are doing because we have more information on exchanges. We have a new trailer, right? An open world trailer teaser to kind of talk about in this video, as well as kind of going through it and what I'm really excited about with the project there. Now, just to let you know, it was difficult for me to get into the position. Typically, I like to get into a position as I see the pre-sale that's, building traction and all that stuff, I want to get in there. As soon as I launched the video that I did initially, it ended up getting sold out. So I couldn't do it then. But I am looking for the right opportunities to average in and continue to dollar cost average in as we see, because it's honestly very interesting. It's something that I like the team and what they are doing to not only just create traction and create popularity, but also be able to kind of put their money where their mouth is. And you see the exchanges, you see the places to where they are creating more volume for the holders that are there now. So again, I want to go through Pikamoon in this video. If you guys could hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. I will provide all of the links for Pikamoon down below if you guys want to check that out. Don't forget about my link for Margex as well if you guys want to start trading a lot of cryptocurrency, leverage trading a lot of cryptocurrency. But I guess what we could do is we could start with this, right? We could start with the Pikamoon trailer. This is something that's new that came to the scene, and I wanted to just post this here and let this play in the background. And hopefully we have audio to let this play here. So let's take some time to put that through, and we'll go from there. So I think that's very, very cool to see that full breakdown of the open world trailer and how it is a teaser, and it honestly looks really good. And I've always been a fan of open world games, but open world games in the way that it is, right, in the way that it stands and what it really has with all the different types of characters that you do have. That's something that intrigues me because I've always been interested in those type of games. So if you can kind of combine that with cryptocurrency, I think it's going to have that level of popularity that everybody really wants to see. And you saw what happened with Power World and how that has taken off. Imagine something that not only is a game, but also has the ability to earn, build rewards, to stake, to utilize your NFTs and all of those different features, but within the game that's very, very popular. So I'm excited for that, and it's great that they released that trailer. Also, a bit of new news here. If we scroll down here on their Twitter account, you have two more centralized exchanges. They have a competition going on, but two new, so Pika to USDT, will launch on two more centralized exchanges. You have a $500 giveaway, but you also have BingX and you have Bitmart. And I feel like that is huge. You're going to have this starts on Monday, the 22nd. So tomorrow, we're going to see this. Launch on these platforms and be tradable on these platforms, which is phenomenal because you have more volume, which means you have more popularity. And honestly, like I said, they're doing more and more things to create that popularity and build upon that popularity. So can't wait to see what the volume looks like, especially post halving, while we see altcoins that start to run. I think Pikamoon will be one of those as well. And with the teaser and the actual development of the game, if you want to be a tester, you can always go into like Pikamoon's website and see if they allow you to do that. I think you have to go through approval process and all that, but you can scroll down here and see NFT play to earn. You can go into the Pikaverse and you can go directly to the game, to where if you do click into the game, you have the ability to go on Google Play, and when you go on Google Play, it'll say basically, do you want to become a tester? So you can always go about that route if you want to, and see if you'll be able to become a tester there. But this has been something that has caught a lot of attention, a lot of eyeballs since the moment we said go. We had the pre-sale, and that pre-sale had so much traction, had so much popularity that again it sold out very, very quickly, to where even someone like me, I couldn't get it. Other people couldn't be a part of that because the pre-sale did sell out, and even afterwards we did see some movement there. So I think right now it's still at a good price, especially when you look at a play to earn game, being able to earn a lot more. When you look at the NFTs being built in and what you can gain with that, it honestly is a big deal overall. So if we do go and look at their chart, they currently stand at 24% of a penny. With 7.5 billion in circulating supply at the current moment, you see $738,000 at a 17 or 18 million dollar market cap. So it definitely is sitting at a good spot. I feel like, especially from the beginning, from when it was on Coin Market Cap, you're looking at a good spot. It's a little bit lower. It's down 11% from that moment. But we look at the last day, it is up 3%. The last 7 days, it's up 72%. So it has made a move from 14% of a penny all the way up to 24% of a penny. So the movement definitely has been great within this position. If you look at the markets it's available on, you're seeing MEXC, you're seeing BitGet, OpenOcean, X markets, and what you're going to see also is BingX and also Bitmart that's included in here. Again, creating more popularity, creating more volume in the end. And again, that's a big deal. So let me know what you think about this, because they have some updates, they have some things that are changing, they have some developments that definitely tell you that they care about the investors, that they care about the growth of the project, and they care about whatever utility that they can build onto this. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, I want you guys to check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out the links for Pikamoon, those links will be at the top of the description. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.